Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel all about quantity. Hi friend, today I will teach how to show these dimensions and how to setting up this. If we needed dimension of each sections, so we will first going to dimension style, D enter, and then going to modify. So this dialog box is on. First we will coming to line. If we needed this line, so we will not tick mark, and here we can't need it, so we will tick mark. And here we also changing this line color. They show me where to start and where to end. And the second option is the symbol of arrow. We will changing the arrow style in here. They show the direction of dimension and also changing here the size of arrow. If you needed to show arrow is big, so you will change. This is coming to text. Click here, and also we will find more fonts of text and bold, italic and regular. And here we will just changing the height and select current and close. And here we will changing the color of text, and here we will need it to filling color. If you need it to filling, so select each of this. For example, this one you also see in here, but we can't need it, so click now and select this one. So leave this area, don't do it anything. The most important things is the family units. If you will use metric system, so you will come to here, select the decimal and use to feed, so select the engineering. And here you will also changing your font, your text, and leave this option and also leave this one and select the OK option and set current and then close. Now we needed the dimension, so click the dimension and select the linear and specify first point and second point. So the dimension of these 2 points, between these 2 points, is 37 feet. We needed more dimension, so coming again or select the space key, because the space key is working of previous command. So now we will show this room is 11 feet on the X direction, and the Y direction is first and second point is coming to 14 feet. So that method we will use for show the dimension of each section. Thanks for watch.